So this is a revision of chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 as in binomial expansion. Okay. So when I'm talking about NCR, we are talking about the formula of NCR. Can you give me?
N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R, the whole factorial.
Okay. How do you get the rth term? Could be the third
The
term,
R,
fourth term, fifth term. So rth term formula is NCR, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Are you with me?
yeah,
If I
yes.
want to write the binomial expansion of this row of the Pascal's triangle, okay, so this is what, tell me,
This is 5C
the first
and
term,
then
okay.
R.
The second term tells me the diagonal, that means it tells me the row. So this is in the row 5. So 1 will be
Yeah.
5 0. This would be
Hmm.
5.
5-1,
This would be
5-2,
5 3,
5-3, 5-4,
5 4,
5-5.
5 5. Okay. So this tells me that NC 5C0 and 5C5. NC0 and NCN is always the same.
Yeah,
Are you with me? The first term and the last term is always the same. So it tells me that NC0 and NCN is always the same. Can you tell
yeah.
me the R in this?
1.
Okay. So if NCR is there, so this becomes 5C1, right?
Hmm.
Okay. 5C1 is equal to what?
Is equal to 5.
5C4 also. 5C1 is equal to 5C4.
Yeah,
So can I say NCR is equal to NCN minus R?
yes.
Okay. So NC0 is equal to NCN. First rule. What is the first rule? NC0
NC0.
is
Yeah.
equal to NCN. And it is always
Hmm.
equal to 1. Always.
Hmm.
Okay. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. With me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Come on. Now, this is NCR. Okay. This I want to do
Hmm.
the binomial expansion of this. So it will be A raised to what?
A raised to 5.
N minus R, that is 5, and B raised to R.
Hmm.
Yeah. This will go on A raised to
Yeah,
4, A raised to 3, A raised to 2, A raised to 1, and A raised to 0. B will
yeah.
keep on adding B1, B2. I thought you were going to speak.
Okay.
You understood this?
Yeah.
State which row this expansion belongs to.
The fifth row.
This belongs to the fifth row. When I am supposed to
Hmm.
draw the Pascal's triangle looks something like this. 1, 2,
Yeah.
1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 4,
Miss 1331.
1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4,
641.
1,
15 10 10 51.
1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. This would be the expansion of what? This is
Of the
expansion
zeroth term.
raised to 0, which is always 1. This is expansion of a plus b, the whole raised to 1. Okay.
1.
This tells our n. Here n is equal to 0. Here the n is equal to 1. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 4. And n is equal to 5. If
Yeah.
I want to know the row, it will always be this diagonal. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, this is
Hmm.
expansion of what?
Expansion of the brackets.
This is expansion of a plus b raised to 0, a plus b raised to 1.
Yeah. A plus b raised to 2, a plus b raised to 3, a plus b raised to 4, and then finally a plus b raised to 5.
Okay, fine. Come on, this term is which term?
Is the sixth term.
Zeroth term. NC0.
Oh, okay, this one. Okay.
So it's 5C0. This
Hmm.
one is,
First term, 5C1,
this one is,
5C2,
this one is.
5C3, 5C4, and 5C5.
Can you give me the rules again?
Yeah. Uh, NC0 is equal to NCN, which is equal to 1, and NCR is equal to NCN minus R.
Lovely. Okay, what is the meaning of 0 factorial? When I talk about the meaning of 0 factorial, it is the way to choose 0 things from n possibilities. So,
Yeah.
way to choose nothing is always 1. That is why NC0 is always 1, and that is why we say our 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay, we
Hmm.
say that our NC0 is equal to NCN and it is always equal to 1. That is based to choose 0 things from n possibilities. NCR is equal to
Hmm.
NCN minus R. B raised to 0 is equal to anything raised to 0 is 1. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Are you with me?
1.
Also, there is
Yeah.
one more rule that my NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1. This is NC1. Is this
What?
NC1? Is this NC1?
Yeah.
Okay. NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1. So if I have 5C1, it will always be equal to 5C4.
Yeah.
If I have 10C1, it will always be equal to
10C9,
10C9. If I have 8C1, it will always be equal to
8C7,
8C7. Now, if I want to expand n factorial up to the 3 terms, so what will it be?
n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial.
Okay. NC0 is equal to, say,
What?
NC0 is
NC0?
hmm,
1.
equal to NCN equal to 1. NC1 is equal to
NC1, NCN minus 1, and
whatever.
yeah,
NC3,
NCN minus 3,
A raised to 0,
1.
B
B
raised
raised to 0 is also 1.
pi C0 will be equal to
1.
pi C5. Pi C1
Okay.
will be
So
equal to
5C1, 5C4,
pi C3.
5C2.
Very good. Give the sixth entry in the 10th row.
The
10th row,
sixth entry.
n would be equal to 9. If it is 10 row, I know that my Pascal triangle starts with n equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
So if I want the sixth entry in the 10th row, so my n would be 9. Are you with me?
Okay.
And the
Yeah.
first term is always 0, so the sixth entry would be the NC5.
So 9C5 is equal to
The 10th row.
126.
So it's going to be 9C5. So 10 minus
Mm.
1 I do and 6 minus 1 I do. The above
Mm.
number always tells the row. Okay? Plus 1 will tell
Mm.
me the row. And plus 1 would tell me the entry. Are you with me?
Yeah.
NCR is equal to
NCN minus R.
NCN is equal to,
NCN minus 1.
and it is always going to be equal to n.
And yeah.
Okay. 5C1 is equal to 5C4 is 5.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
C1 is
10C9,
equal to
which equals
10.
to 10. Yeah.
Okay. 11C1 will be equal
11C10, which is
to
equal to 11.
12C1 equal to,
12C11, which is equal to 12.
are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. N always gives us the,
The row.
so this is going to be which row?
Which one? This one? The zeroth row.
This.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the rules I have explained you. N is the row, R is the diagonal. I hope you are there.
Yeah.
So this was entire revision of our chapter number 4.